Hi everyone, welcome back to Justin Consumer Reviews. I'm Justin. Today we're doing an unboxing of the 1.1 liter Tailfin top tube bag, and this one has the flip top. So let's get right into it. So first, just taking a look at the box. It's pretty plain. It's just a cardboard box. It says Tailfin on one side. On the bottom, it has the information about the product. So top tube bag flipped, 1.1 liter. There's the SKU, some information about Tailfin, and then the sides are empty. So going ahead and opening this box up. So first we have the product information here. So this includes all the installation information and what's included in the bag. Here you have information of how to mount it using the straps, and then here you have information on how to mount it direct mount if you have mount screw bosses in the top tube. On the back you have instructions of how to use the mag lock feature, which we'll take a look at now. And then some tips for mounting when space is tight, basically. So tips for mounting on a steel bar, which might be a little smaller in terms of diameter, and then tips for mounting on thicker frames. So here we have the bag itself. That's all that's in the box. So let's put that to the side. And then here, as you can see, again, this is the flip top box. So we have this mag lock system here. So basically you have to pull this out and then that opens like that. And then once that's open, you have here some packing material. You have the straps. So there's one long strap there. There's another strap and another strap. So one long strap and two shorter straps. And then in here you have some screws if you want to screw mount the bag onto your top tube. And that's it. So here, if you take a look in the bag, you can see that it's a pretty nice, spacious bag. It has a side pocket. It's not zipped or anything. It's just an expandable kind of mesh material pocket. And then on the bottom, you have a liner. So if you do want to screw mount, you just remove the liner. And then here on the bottom, there are two positions for each of the mounts. And then if you turn this around, you can see very slightly here and here, you can see some little plus symbols basically that are cut in to this rubber mount, and you can screw those directly on there. So I plan to do a full review on this bag, so if you are interested in this bag, please subscribe to the channel. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave a like also, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next review. Cheers, bye-bye.